The first issue you might face when you start using Premiere Pro is trouble with larger files. First, select all the clips, click on Ctrl N or go to Export. You can change the name and where to save it. Keep the preset as custom for now. For the format, choose H.264. Then go to Video, click Match Source to match your video source. Click More and check these two boxes. Render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. If you have GPU, use hardware encoding. If not, the software encoding do the work. Next, you can scroll down, and here's the key part. You have three choices: CBR, VBR1 pass, and VBR2 pass. For me, I use VBR1 pass for smaller size. The issue is higher bitrate means a larger file. Here's my tip. For YouTube, they have a recommended bitrate. For example, if your video is 1080p and 13 fps like mine, you can use a bitrate of 10 to 15 max. This keeps the file small and good for YouTube and other platforms. Then, when you are finished, save your preset in the three-dot menu to use it later. Then you can export your video. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate it if you could hit the like button and consider subscribing for more content. See you in the next video. Peace out.